Hi guys, we're gonna show you how to install or download antivirus software. So first, bubuksan natin ang ating browser and just need to type Avast on our search engine. So I'll just click on this link and now pag nag-scroll down tayo, you will see a button here which is download free protection to Windows. So you can see the file is downloaded really fast. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung file and then click yes.
And I'm gonna minimize the browser para makita natin. So yeah, installing na. So we just wait a minute, depende kasi sa internet connection kung gaano kabilis ma-download.
So I can see this window. So here it's a by installing or using the product, you agree to its end user license agreement and privacy policy. So, i-click lang natin ang install button and makikita nyo yung progress bar sa baba. So, wait lang natin pag-process bar to reach to the 100%.
The first window look like this. So, i-click lang natin yung continue button here. So, if you want to run, first, click mo lang tong button. And click lang natin close this. Then next, you will see this window. And you can also go to section here. Well, they offer tons of protection like virus scans, core shields, quarantine, network inspector, ransomware shield, firewall, bank mode, email guardian, remote access shield, real site, and even sandbox.
So pag gumamit tayo ng antivirus, lagi natin sisiguraduhin na lagi siyang updated. Kasi araw-araw din ang virus ang lumalabas kung hindi updated ang antivirus natin. Useless yan. So once na natsyempohan ka na nalagyan ng virus ang PC or laptop mo, automatic magkakaroon ng problema yan. So lagi lang natin i-check yung updates.
Para ma-activate yung antivirus natin, need mag-register para mahaba yung trial niya. Login mo lang yung Gmail mo or Facebook. So, bago lang yung antivirus natin. We can see naman na 1 month lang yung trial nito. So, kailangan natin i-login yung Facebook or Gmail natin para maging 1 taon ang trial.
Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, this is your host signing up.